In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gift voucher to Just Eat. First, open the Just Eat app on your phone or visit the Just Eat website. You will see a clean and user-friendly interface designed for easy navigation. If you are using the app, look for the app icon on your home screen. Tapping it will launch the app instantly. On the website, you will find a welcoming homepage with options to explore various food categories. This step is crucial since it sets the stage for everything else you're going to do. By accessing Just Eat, you are ready to enjoy a variety of delicious meals. Once you have the app open or the website loaded, sign into your Just Eat account. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one. This is important because signing in allows you to manage your orders and payment methods efficiently. After entering your credentials, press the Sign In button. You will see a confirmation that you are logged in, providing you with peace of mind that your details are secure. Next, add your food items to the basket and proceed to checkout. Browse through the extensive menu where you can choose from various restaurants and cuisines. Once you find your desired food items, tap the Add button to place them in your basket. After you have selected everything you want, look for the basket icon, which usually appears at the top right corner of the screen. Tapping on it will take you to the checkout page. This step is vital because it ensures you have all your items ready for purchase, making the process smooth and efficient. From there, select Add a voucher or gift card or redeem a gift card depending on your device. You will find this option typically near the payment section of the checkout page. When you tap this option, a new field will appear for you to enter your gift voucher code. This step is significant as it allows you to apply your voucher, reducing the total cost of your order. Make sure to locate this option carefully to avoid missing out on your discount. At this point, enter your gift voucher code and PIN, then tap Apply or Redeem. Ensure that you input the code accurately, as even a minor mistake can prevent it from being accepted. Once you tap Apply, you will see the discount reflected in your order total. This is essential because it confirms that your gift voucher has been successfully applied, making your meal even more enjoyable. Finally, complete your order. If your gift voucher does not cover the full amount, you can pay the remaining balance with another payment method such as a debit or credit card. Before finalizing your order, take a moment to review your basket to ensure everything looks correct. This final review helps you avoid any surprises during delivery. Tapping the confirmation button will finalize your order, and you should see a confirmation message appear shortly after. Gift cards are usually valid for 1 year from the date they were purchased. This means you have plenty of time to use them, ensuring you can treat yourself or someone else to a meal whenever you want. With all these steps completed, you are now ready to enjoy your meal with the savings from your gift voucher.